The Ferrari Roma is an Italian sports car from automobile manufacturer Ferrari. It is a two-door, 2+2 hardtop coupe. It has a front mid-engine and rear-wheel drive layout. With styling similar to the Portofino, it is a fast, turbocharged V8 car between the Portofino and F8 Tributo and Ferrari's lineup of high-performance sports cars. The Roma's name is derived from the name of a location in ancient Roman mythology and was christened to honor Italy's capital. Originally unveiled in 2019. It uses an award-winning Ferrari engine. It's a 3.9-liter, turbocharged 90-degree V8, dual overhead cam design. The Type 154 BH of the Romas gets 612 HP. It has the double wishbone, coil spring design with anti-roll bars, but it also has the optional MagneRide dynamic shock absorber system which can give a smoother, more controlled ride with magnetic suspension. It's got twin turbochargers and 2 intercoolers to make it much faster in a twisty mountain trail. It has a dry sump to help it stay well lubricated. The engine is mated to the new 8-speed dual-clutch F1 transmission shared with the SF90 Straddle. This new unit translates into more acceleration in the intermediate gears with an extended tall top gear for motorway cruising. There is a published top speed of 200 miles per hour for the Roma. It has an acceleration time of 3.4 seconds from 0 to 62 miles per hour. 0 to 124 miles per hour acceleration time is 9.3 seconds. A redesigned exhaust system removes silencers and attaches particulate filters, similar to those on diesel cars, for emissions regulation. The engineering of this exhaust muffler has retained, amplified, and reduced sound to give off more pleasant engine sound and less particles in the exhaust fumes. Bentley Motors has produced and marketed the Continental GT, a luxury Grand Tourer since 2003. Having been acquired by Volkswagen in 1998, it was Bentley's first auto under VW management, and the first that used mass production manufacturing. The third-generation Continental GT made its physical debut at the Frankfurt Motor Show in August 2017 and drew a large crowd there. This limited edition car will debut at the Geneva Auto Show in celebration of Bentley's 100th birthday. Production started in 2018 at a base price of $156,700. Bentley Continental GT convertible made its debut in November 2018. It shares the MSB platform with the second-generation Porsche Panamera, which was developed by Volkswagen. The car has a lighter body, 80 kilograms, an extended wheelbase, 135 millimeters, a 48-volt roll control system, a new 6.0-liter W12 TSI engine, as well as an industry-first rotating display in its interior. With the Continental GT, the entire body side is made from the superformed process, a precision technique with aluminium that allows for more complex, sharply defined body lines. The panels are superformed with heated aluminum sheets molded by gas instead of stamps. Manufacturer's figures indicate that 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 3.6 seconds and 207 miles per hour is possible. The W12 engine, designed, developed, and handcrafted in Crewe, is an upgraded version of the TSI engine launched in 2016 for the Bentayga. With high and low pressure direct fuel injection, a variable displacement system, stop-start technology, and launch mode, the powertrain produces 626 horsepower and 900 nanometers of torque.
I'll live each second like my final day. You can't live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one